Okay, wheel swap time. We're gonna pop off the RFX 17 Rohanas, and then we're gonna be swapping out, or swapping in the work wheels. So, let's go. Ooh. I'm not wearing my meta glasses because those things are so uncomfortable when you're working on cars. This is actually my GoPro with just like a head mount. Okay. Pop those guys. Leave them right there for now. Ooh, okay. Pop that there. Yeah. These are actually lighter than the work wheels, surprisingly. I'm not sure if you guys can tell the difference between the stretch, but here's the work wheels one. Definitely not as stretchy. This is wider too. So 275, these are 265s. Yeah, okay. And then, where's my hub-centric ring? Of course I forgot my hub-centric ring. There they are. You want to make sure that you have hub-centric rings because you don't want your wheels to float. Okay. This boy heavy as F. Okay. I'm actually running spacers on here, so I gotta pop these guys off too. Coming. Yo, that is on there tight. Really good machining, I guess. And then the hub rings go right here. Make sure you put the lip in, because that would suck. All right, here you go. Then just try to carefully put this in without scraping the barrel. Yeah. Oh God, this thing is heavy. Woo. Need to eat my Wheaties or something. All right. And then we're gonna reuse this for now. I have different ones, but just for the sake of making this video quick, we're not gonna go get them. All right. Now you wanna make sure that you hand thread most of your fasteners unless you're really, really sure that you're not gonna cross thread them with the impact. There you go. Crisscross. Nice. There you go. Yeah, I know. I skipped that crisscross, but don't really matter when you have most of them on. Oh, look at that. That is not even a finger can get in there. It may or may not scrape. Hopefully this fits. My Rohanas have a really nice fit, so I'd be really sad if we didn't measure properly. Should be pretty good though. Okay. Like that. Yeah. Oh yeah. Stretchy boy. Okay, here we go. New wheels. Don't forget your hub-centric ring. I'm not sure if you guys can see this. Okay. Because these work wheels have like a general, I guess, hub bore size, so you gotta get a little adapter ring. Oh, sorry for blocking your view. Yo, this is definitely heavier than the Rohanas. Everything good? Ooh, everything might be good. Yeah. Pop that. There. And then right there. All right. TPMS thing on the back is not hitting. Just gonna drop it. Ooh. Dude, that is super nice. Oh, it might hit this right here. See this little bolt? I'm gonna have to replace that, but holy crap. All right, let's do the rest. Hub-centric ring first. Okay, it's pretty tight on there. And then take this guy. Okay, try not to scratch the barrel. Brand new wheels. Oh! Yo, these boys are heavy. There you go. Jeebus. It's heavier than the Rohanas. No joke. Okay. There's one. There's another. Dude, it's so hot right now. I'm freaking boiling. But this is sometimes why I wait for like nighttime to work on my cars, because it's so dang hot. Nice. Which one do you guys like better? The OG wheels, these are the RFX 17s from Rohana. I've had these for like about a month and a half or so. 1910, 1911 on the rear. And then here's the tire stretch. And then the other side, we have the Work Wheels STX. Okay, from afar they kind of look similar, but obviously these are way brighter. So let me give you guys a close-up. There it is, slightly brighter. And then fatty tires. Not as stretchy. And then the front right here, you can see that it's also not as stretchy. Proxy Sport 2's really awesome tires. The only issue that I have here that I might hit this right here, but I might just swap that out for a different bolt. But what do you guys think? Here's this side, and then this side right here. Dude, it's so hard to freaking decide. And that's why I'm keeping both, because this looks pretty good as a monoblock with the, concave face. But this looks good because it's also got a concave face, but it's a two-piece and it's, it's got a polished lip and then brushed face.